Hello everyone. In this video, we will going to see that what is the model answer writing for SSC JEE mains. Okay. So here I'm gonna share with you with my experience. Okay, how the answer is going to be right. Okay. So there are two type of questions are there. One is theoretical and another one is numerical. Okay. So in theoretical portion, if you write a proper theory line by line with a neat figure, so max to max you will get if you are written in it very thoroughly. Okay, so you will get max to max 9 marks or 10 marks max to max out of 15. Okay, each question is 15 marks in SSC JEE mains. If we talk about numerical, then there is a chance for you. If you write down the numerical step by step, if you solve it in a systematic manner, and if you get correct answer, then you will get 13 or 14 or in some case 15 marks also. Okay, so here I'm going to share with you one answer of a Pelton turbine that has been asked in SSCJ 2018 mains. Okay, that has been conducted on 29th December 2019. Okay, and in that question I got around 13 marks. Okay, so this is the answer, and this is not a, answer copy, but I have written on a separate page the way I am written in exam. Okay, this is the similar way I have written in the exam. There is no changes in it because in my answer copy there are some blur, there is some blur images also there in this while scanning, so that's why I have taken on a separate page. So this is the question, let me show you. uh, this question that has been given to you in exam: a Pelton wheel has a mean bucket speed of 10 meter per second with a jet of water flowing at a rate of 700 liter per second under a head of 30 meter. It gets deflected through an angle of 160 degree after flowing past to the bucket. Calculate the power given by runner and hydraulic efficiency of the turbine and take the coefficient of velocity 0.98, so CV. So first of all, whenever this kind of data is given, so in hydraulic machine, just draw basic velocity diagram. Okay, so here it is a velocity diagram of Pelton wheel as they have given in the data. And first write down the given data and mention this like a bucket speed is u. Okay, in general what we are doing while we are writing in our university exam or other exam, and or in our rough work we are writing just u as a 10 meter per second. Okay, but do not write in exam. First at least you to specify what is u. Okay, it because examiner, the person who is checking your paper, so he might using small v. Okay, or new or any other velocities as a bucket speed as a b, he might be using b. Okay, so first you specify bucket speed u as a 10 meter per second, then discharge q 700 liter per second, and always try to convert all the units in SI units. Okay, first you solve the question in SI unit, and at the end you see if the answer is required in specified some unit, like if you are getting answer in meter but the answer required is in mm, so at the end you will convert, but first you convert all the units in SI units. Okay, so here I have written discharge, head, deflection angle theta. Okay, and CV 0.98, P is equal to power, and Fe hydraulic efficiency. So here, and one more thing here, you have to specify that one is here, you have to specify that u1 u is equal to u1 plus u2 because it is a condition of Pelton wheel. Okay, and you have to also mention that if you are wherever you are using suffix 1, that is represent inlet, and suffix 2 represent outlet. The velocity of jet, so first I have found out velocity of jet, so I and write down the equation and I got 23.77 meter per second. Then I have found outlet blade angle beta 2. Okay, that is it is coming out to be 20 degrees Celsius, 20 degree not Celsius. Then we have to write one line that we know that the runner power is given by this equation. Here it is a rho, not S, it is a rho, density of water. Power is equal to rho Q into U into V1 minus U into 1 plus K cos beta 2. So here all things I have mentioned here. Okay, Q is already defined and in given data u is also, v1 is also here defined. The only remaining thing beta 2 is also I have defined here, k and rho. These are the new things. So here I have defined k, this is a blade shape factor, and here it is 1. Okay, here I am assuming or taken, okay, because it is not given like is there, because it is not mentioned about any losses. So here I have taken 1. So here you have to write like taken or assumed, and rho is the density of water is equal to 1000 kg per meter cube. In the next step you have to put all this value and solve it. No in between step is it is required. Okay, like first you solve these three, then you solve this bracket and solve this bracket. No, write equation, put the value and calculate in the calculator, and you will get the answer. Power is 187 kilowatt. Okay, so and one thing, so one thing that we have found out, the second thing is hydraulic efficiency. So hydraulic efficiency, it is, so first you have to write the equation of hydraulic efficiency, that is given by head available at the runner exit divided by head available at the runner inlet. Okay, you have to write, because if you write down the equation directly this, so then he may be question object like where this equation came from. So first you have to define the what is hydraulic efficiency. Okay, and all the things we have defined already, just put the value and solve this answer, you will get 90.8%. So this is the end, but at the end you have to write down the one line, okay, that will add on your 1 marks. Okay, if you want to write, because there is a very less time available with you in exam. So for a given condition, so the line is the for a given condition Pelton will develop 187 kilowatt runner power with 90.8% hydraulic efficiency. So this is how you can write down the questions. Okay, so you will get around probably 13 or 14 marks. Okay, I got 14 marks in this. Okay, so this is the way you have to write it. Okay, and wherever the important results are there, like here hydraulic efficiency is there, so just mark with a box and just double arrow, or write down the small in small letter answer. Okay, or you can put a double line here also. So this is how you can write. If you want more videos on model answer writing on SSC JEE Mains, so then please put it in your comment box, put it in video comment in comment box of this video. I will make another videos of it also. So thank you for watching this video, hope you enjoyed it, and for upcoming videos please subscribe to this channel. Okay, all the best.